You also sang in Yiddish, in a Yiddish choir. And
yeah, we had,
yes.
from the Volksschule, we had a choir and a professional director who I still remember. I still remember him. He had one leg amputated, and he'd rest the stump of the leg on the chair and he'd direct, and he was great. But we sang Yiddish songs, we sang Hebrew songs, we gave several concerts a year. I also sang in a temple choir, Orthodox temple choir. One of my uncles sang in choirs until almost till the day he died, and he would try to include me in this. And I still remember, it must have been, it was before my bar mitzvah, we sang, and it was the high holidays, and the rabbi got down to supplicate himself before the Oren Kodesh, and I thought he had suffered a heart attack. And I was about to yell, "Get a doctor!" And my uncle grabbed me and said, "No, no, no." But I almost made a faux pas in shul.